Hi friends, welcome to the Velocity tutorial. In this video, I am going to explain about OmniScript's conditional view. In some cases, we need to display the data based on conditions. Let's see into the scenario. Yes, if you observe my previous video or if you don't watch, please watch that video so that you will get to know what it is or what these elements are. Here, I have created some scenario here. I'll show what I have created in my previous video by clicking preview. Here I will be refreshing this one. When user is entering a valid number, if they search on search accounts, sorry, I have entered one number extra, let me enter correct. If I click on search, then contact and account details are getting. Suppose if we click on next, then I need to see this. After this, if I click next, this should not appear because already I have got the account and details. So creation part I don't require that one. Suppose in the same case, if I entered any random number here, if I search here, I am not getting any account or contacts. If I click next, this should not show because as I don't have any uh, account and contact with that license number, so I don't want to see this both. For that we can use like conditions by in the steps, or we can also use conditions here. I'll say how to use these conditions. uh, First condition what I'm using is, when the user is not entering in this license number, this button should not appear. That means based on this only this button should appear, otherwise this button should be like hidden. For that we need to have condition like, based on this value based on L number, we need to display this search. For this if we drag below, we will be having conditional view. Here show element if true, I am selecting the condition. if l number if L number not equals to does not equals to null, so that button should display. This will be conditional view. If you click on this, L number not equal to null will get. Okay, after this this is one condition I have written, and after this entire step need to display when there is only account fetched from the data raptor. For this I am going to give conditional view as show element if true when account column name equals to, sorry, does not equals to null. So this will be displayed when account is not equal to null. For this also I need to add one in condition. Whenever user doesn't find account, then at that time this step needs to be displayed. For this I am writing as account colon name equals to null. That means whenever account is not there, then we need to create account. For this I am writing this is also whenever we can also keep for this, or we can also not keep. There is no problem for this, but step is for definitely. Let's try this whether our conditions are working or not. Let's refresh. Now I'll go with, see, we cannot see the button here until and unless we enter this number. We cannot see this. Let's see for the positive scenario. I am entering the license number which is associated with account. Okay, now if I click on tab, then I can see this button. Now I can see, click on tab or click on anywhere. Now if I click on search account, then sorry, I have clicked the one more extra. If I clicked on search, then account and contact names are displayed. Now only the second step needs to be displayed. For that, if I click next, see, both are displaying. See, now previous, there is no next because I have added third. For if there is no account, only the third step needs to be displayed. For that, there is no account, so in the step details also we didn't find that. So let's try for negative scenario. See, for negative scenario, if we observe, I'm giving random license number, and if I'm searching anything, then there is no account. So now if I click this, it will go to the account creation. See, account contact creation page, it went to account contact creation step. Now and if I am entering anything, Santosh, then insert account, then it is going to create an account with these are the IDs we got. This is the use of condition. Then this will make user very friendly, and also uh, it will be very logically, it will be very good to use conditionals based on business requirements. We will be using this. And also let me learn you about the how to launch this OmniScript. We'll see how to launch. If we click on this, we'll get some error. These OmniScripts can be used in multiple places. I want to open in the browser, so I need to copy this. I need to copy this entire link. I need to paste in the browser so that it will work. Before it, now we will be getting some error here, because let me show that error, because many times many people are facing this issue. Let me tell that. Yes, no component named account record contact record English. This is the OmniScript name. This is a namespace. C is a namespace, and this is the OmniScript name. This is a OmniScript name. This is not found by the uh, browser. This is because we need to, when we are using this OmniScript, we need to activate this version so that it will activate. After activating, it is ready for the available. It's like simple, like when we are building the communities, we need to publish so that other people can see. Similarly here, if we click on activate, then this will be activated, and this will be we can see from the other browsers. See here, internally it will generate HTMLs and all. Then it will deploy. Most of the things will be happened. If anything error, will get there. Yes, now activation is done successfully. If we go and refresh this, now our OmniScript has got. Let's try for a positive scenario now. If we click on next, sorry, I have forgot to click this search accounts, then a user will think account has created. If we go to the next, then we can see this. Now let's do for the negative scenario. let's do for, I'm giving some random number and I'm clicking on search account. If we click next, then account creation page should open. Here giving the account name, insert account, then account and contact has inserted. Let's see what is that account here itself. Here one account will be created with the related contact with the name Santosh Velocity. Let's see the first relatedly so that we'll get to know whether contact is created or not. Now contact tab is loading. Yes, contact is created. Let me show you that tab. Yes, here contact is created with the type with the name Velocity Santosh, and the account is also with the Velocity Santosh. Then account and contacts are created with this. The main part of the OmniScript is action items. Now here in this case, action items are two data wrappers. One is get and one is post. And also in the OmniScripts, I'll be introducing in the next videos of all the components, how we need to use every element, and how we need to based on scenarios, how we need to display the input, and also how we need to use. I'll discuss in the next videos. Thank you. Please subscribe and watch other videos.